na obo businesses egu na ma adwena kwesi Papa Kwesi Indium. Look at the number of people I know I employ Ukruma. Omulusu job na rehopa. And the private sector is very, very important. When you go to the United States, in fact, na me be on US Bureau of Economic Analysis and a Congressional Budget Office. Na do omo dia to dwane say 85 to 88% of US GDP no ejina private sector edwuma so. It say your private businesses near the adeno na inisi etoto na se. Na waka say in 2023 krano, GDP was around $27.4 trillion and private sector contributed 23.5, which means that the largest contribution for private sector. And who abrochaya the USA Trump umpesi beba enibra ba hwan will be a greener pastures ako. In fact, the greener pastures was created by the support of private sector. But the Ghana leadership no, ye private sector no. Oba omumu mia won wo hwe employment equity. Go to the US and see from their own statistics about 124 million people were employed private sector just to help boost employment. Na yet ye gunwuma ni nyina we are not supporting anything. Na mesress amanyofo no nsesa omadwene aban bi obeba ne ho be kire ni bia ya aban a private sector no onhwe ho yi onhwe nyuma sem yi ubun se no ho asase e kire no because aban ko antimi nkreti. Even the western countries they can't survive. UK ni ade no mkore any private agencies na omo ye adwuma ni nyina e fa nkrofo adwuma. So why do we collapse private businesses?